Lasno, kajing pasko na President juga Cuai Sarkil, ilian sungi kumga KSU West Jaya District, ada dengan segmen, kalau hadin baga nahai kala ular berpendek kajing dawa, jong keseng berkunjuru kajing dawa jong di Kisnong, betul hajar jong tunggit, mungkin biang di street light di side ring, kajing dawa kajing tunkam, mungkin di balik, kajing dawa tapi gua sesular, kila esok di Kisnong, hajar yang jongi keseng di Kerben baga nahai berpendek ular juga tapi kajing kok nahai ini, mungkin pendek kalau tu ay pos tayo, ini bagila mundur kajing dawa jongi, tanggutan ini ba nang niskuman baga nahai kan dia kan le badan kam ban le kajing sos sekolah joka bagi senang kan pada pulau aja kepor kila ya soalnya fresh
ani por sa sisin na diang jong di isu Cuai Sarkil duduk menin kepor RRPO gilawan ani panggil kantalai ketolge batat aduk mentah rasa busau dan sini trik aduk kita kan trik belakang ketolge deng juga arpsau benta din ke arpsau benta nali yang kibor jong PNHI kilawan bani kedu yang ini nali yang juga isu Cuai Sarkil angkat ke jingi don lang bagi dong elam jong ke West Jaya District Unit nali yang jong ke NHI ke Kular ban pendep ijing dawa jong ni hapok istiau ban ini nali yang jong keseng nilai por istiau ban pendep dawa jong ni NHI ru ke Kular ban pendep hapok istiau dalam kumta yang sing lek biang inlek ya kemudian kam kami di waktu ini kecil kawan jadi por kita ke sini kita ke ni jadi tunggu video ban rong biang i kecina ban kum kecil ular jadi pendek kecil kawan jadi tulis gua bos
maaf buat apa ya
siap.
Okey.
We do not have that rule. Yes. That sir, we do not have that.
That is beyond
Beyond all. From here, like yes, around the rule started. We do not have this, right? And this, you have mentioned is happening. So now, like it is up to 1 kilometer we have. Beyond that, we cannot go. So obviously we cannot. We have to request PWD or someone else to look into that matter. We cannot go.
Okay, let's talk about your jurisdiction.
Yes.
You know, whatever it might be that village name we have written somewhere within the but Janet is lying within the Oklahoma residential area. Yeah.
This one is the change.
अभी जो है प्रेसिडेंट टाइम में जो ये लोकेशन है इसलिए प्रेसिडेंट टाइम में अभी नहीं आया ठीक है जो है प्रेसिडेंट टाइम में नहीं है
लेकिन चाइनीज
ये 79
हाँ ना ये आता है ना
हमारा चाइनीज लोकेशन है
Chainage these locations brother these locations come under West Yes.
Yeah, might be the place name might be called because that would be called according to the contract agreement, we do not have. The contract agreement happens. Let me explain. Contract agreement happens. Whatever the state government has authorized us to do. Okay, it is the state government who has to give us the authority. That okay, these are your areas, and according to the contract agreement, we can do whatever the contract agreement says. We cannot go beyond the authority. So contract agreement does not allow us.
Jangan